In this video, I'm going to show you how to check background apps running on Android. So what you're going to do, go to the settings on your Android phone, open up settings, and then scroll all the way down, okay, and go to the About section. Click on About Phone, okay, and scroll all the way down and then hit on Software Information. And from here, you have a build number here. Tap on the build number a couple of times, usually around 5 to 7 times, and that will enable the developer mode. So just tap on it like a few times, and that to enable the developer mode. Once you're done with that, go back, come all the way back, and you will see there's a developer. When you come back to settings, you will be able to see developer options. Tap on it and you'll be able to see the developer options. From here, scroll down and select running services. And here you'll be able to see all the apps and services that's currently being running on your phone. So all the background apps currently running. So you can simply see their names and then their file sizes. So you can like tap on a specific app. You can just tap on it and you can hit on stop. If you want to stop it, you can hit on stop to stop running. And that's basically how you check it.